to other country.
Numerous complaints have surfaced regarding illegal earth cutting leading to extensive destruction of hills in Bhoi district. In response, the Deputy Commissioner has initiated inquiries into the matter, covering areas from the downside of Birnihat to Khanapra within the district. Bhoi DC Arpit Upadhyay emphasized the seriousness of the issue, noting its detrimental impact on the environment and air quality. He further disclosed that a special committee was formed to support the inquiry process.
And whenever we have received earlier also, in that case, inspection has been done and matter has been forwarded to DFO territorial to take necessary action, and certain action has been taken from the DFO side also. After that, there was one committee from KHADC also. They have also visited the locations and taken necessary actions. And last week also we have received one more complaint that similar kind of earth cutting is going on, because of which there is a deterioration of air quality. So for that, magistrate has been deployed and action will be taken on that accordingly.
Meghalaya